Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. Today I will talk about technology, the latest technology that we must use in order to learn German language. We have been using so many techniques, online medium, we know that how to learn online, how to teach online. We are having so many study material available online. We can use them, we can take print out, we can watch videos. These are all technology. We sit at home and learn German anywhere at any time. So it's very easier for the students and as well as for the teachers to teach. Teacher is in India, students are in Germany or abroad somewhere, so it can be connected easily to technology. Internet is one of the best technology that we are using nowadays and we are making best use of it. Today I am going to talk about one important technology which I have just got to know. You might be aware about this. Okay, ChatGPT. What is that? ChatGPT. We'll talk about that in detail. You can see behind me the screen. I will tell you, I will inform you how to use this technology and you can learn German faster. You can make any kind of sentence in German. You can write email, you can write text, anything. Just you have to text, you have to inform this artificial intelligence based technique what you want and you will get instant reply. This technology is based on AI, artificial intelligence, and it is very useful technology in any language, in any type of answer you can get over here. Since I am teaching German, so I can use it for learning German language. So let's see how to start and how to use this technology. I hope this is going to be very useful. First of all, we type here ChatGPT. Here I have already ChatGPT, and then first option, click here. This is the page that you will see if you type try ChatGPT. Open this page, you will land up here, and since I have already created the page, you have to sign in and create the new page. And now here I will type whatever I will type here. Okay, you will see, suppose I write how are you in German. How are you in German? I will type here how are you in German, means what do we say. So it is very good for learning German language. So I click here and we'll see the instant reply by this machine. We get a steer. We get a steer. I hope you are able to. Again I'll type something. Excuse me in German. Excuse me in German. And here click excuse me in German. Entschuldigung. You can see the correct translation, Entschuldigung. This is artificial based technology, AI. You write whatever you write here, it will translate. Now I write type in German. Okay, and we'll see the answer. What type of answer we get here. Okay, now there email. Now this is typing. Sehr geehrte, ich hoffe, Sie sind gut. Ich schreibe Ihnen, Sie einladen, start finden. You can see here, very fast. Now the machine is working. You can see the answer. This is our email. This email is written by this machine, this technology, ChatGPT. So it's very useful. You will get a lot of good ideas how to write a mail. You can see here, just within seconds, email is ready here. There are some mistakes but not much. It's much better. You will get very good idea. You can see the format, correct format. Sehr geehrte, subject mit freundlichen Grüßen, with friendly greetings, and your name. So what is the email? I'll just read out if you are not able to read clearly. Wir würden uns sehr freuen, wenn Sie teilnehmen könnten. Look at this, könnten, politeness. Bitte lassen Sie uns wissen, please let us know, ob Sie kommen werden. Because we just ask, write an email, party invitation. So it has created its own. We have not given any other information, formal, informal, to a friend on what kind of party. So whatever the machine thinks, the answer is here. I'll try something else. Now we'll see online German newspaper if we have any options. Look at it. Here are some popular online German newspapers. See, these are the answers. Can you see? Quickly, machine is typing, instant answer. These are just few examples. There are many other. Die Welt, Frankfurter, Süddeutsche, Spiegel, Zeit Online. Okay. Another, what is dative case in German? Huh? Dative case in German. We'll see if you get the answer. Dative case in, yeah, here's the answer. See, entire description. Ich gebe dem Hund. Kannst du dem Mann auf der Straße? Look at this. What a beautiful technology. Here, the answer is being typed. So many answers. Dative examples. What is dative? Dative examples in German. So this technique is very, very useful. I have tried this and I thought I should share this with you. You just need to type here, okay, regenerate response, and you will get the answer. Suppose now I type accusative sentence, okay, accusative sentence in German. I have to write, because there are different languages, so I have to explain only this much. Now, accusative sentence in German. Now, first definition and then examples. Ich sehe den Hund. Sie trinkt einen Kaffee. Wir besuchen die Großmutter. Of course, look at this. Der changes into den. Some nouns are accusative, you need to memorize. So, this is the beauty, this is the best part of this technology. You have seen how I have used this technology, okay, here in front of you. So, you should also use it. I have zoomed in so that you can understand how this technology functions. This is called AI based technology, chat GPAT. So, just simply type in Google, register yourself first with your email ID, password, and then you will land up on this page and just type here and you will see so many answers. Please do let me know how do you find this technology, and please write in the comment. I hope everyone will like this and it will help you in a big way in learning German and find out some other information. It's not about learning German, it's about any information you want to, like we search on Google, it's same like that. You just type a keyword and you will get a lot of answers. Email, whatever you want, it's very good. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.